here is the HTML code that I've managed to get. So we have like the user title user information. Then we've got like here the link for the PHP file. And from here we got like our inputs, which is like your first name, last name, phone number, and email listed here. And then for each input here, we put some details. So like max length, types, which would be text or email in this case here as well. Then we got like the required pattern for like the phone numbers. So it would actually get the digits right here. And then of course with like placeholders and such. And then we have our buttons here for submit and reset. Now, moving on to the PHP, we have here the whole variables being posted here, and then from there, with the variables corresponding with each of the fields set requirements. So, like having less than 20 characters, and also with the email as well being less than 30 characters, and the phone number must be exactly 12 characters. We can test this all out in the program, but we have here the listing, and from the list we can go straight to the table. And with all of this combined, we can go here and we can play around here with the program. So I'm gonna return back here to the main page here. So let's see here. So for the name and for both first and last names, I get it. It's going to have to be uh, less than 20 characters, but let's see here. So let's use some letters here. So let's first test the wrong result. So let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Just a little cherry on top. And then let's copy and paste this one too. So is also Ah's last name. And now, so that's both 20. And then for the phone number, of course, it has to be exactly a bunch of these digits here. So more than 12 digits as shown here. But let's add an extra one because we want to see something wrong. Now, for the email, we can use 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So let's see what result transpires from this one since it's technically wrong. So, of course, it's asking for the requested format because it has to be more than, it has to be at least, no, not at least, exactly 12. So let's check now. So first name must be less than 20 characters in the field. So let's fix that. So we're gonna go with John. We're gonna go with a different name. Let's see here. John. Oh, Jones. Actually, that actually has a nice ring to it. So we got both first and last, and let's just get a regular phone number, but for this one, it's going to have a very messed up email address. Let's see what happens. So the email must be less than 30 characters in this field. So coming back here, we can come back here to John Jones, have same phone number here, but instead, we're going to have a regular email. Let's submit. Voila. So now we got John Jones listed here, right here. We can return back to there. And then one last thing I'd like to test here is John Jones, same phone number, same email. Now, the submit button works. So does the reset button. All right. and that is my program.